Hello, you lovely people. Ready to feel amazing? Today we're diving into something truly special. It's all about making the most of those precious 10 minutes you have. You might think, what can I really achieve in just 10 minutes? Well, let me tell you, a lot more than you might imagine. Life gets busy, but you don't need an hour at the gym to make a difference. We all have those moments when we feel overwhelmed by our schedules. But guess what? You can carve out a small window of time for yourself, and it can be incredibly rewarding. Just 10 minutes can boost your energy, lift your mood, and help you feel stronger. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy, or breaking up a long afternoon with a quick, invigorating session. It's like hitting the refresh button for your body and mind. This workout is for everyone. No equipment, no excuses. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned pro, these exercises are designed to be accessible and effective. You don't need fancy gear or a lot of space. Just bring yourself and a can-do attitude. Think about it. 10 minutes can be spent scrolling your phone, or you can use it to invest in yourself. Those few minutes you spend on social media can be redirected towards something that benefits your health and well-being. It's a small change with a big impact. We'll work your whole body right in your living room. From head to toe, we'll engage different muscle groups, improve your flexibility, and get your heart pumping. It's a comprehensive workout that fits right into your home environment. All you need is a little space and a positive attitude. Clear a small area in your living room, roll out a mat if you have one, and get ready to move. Your mindset is key. Approach this with enthusiasm and an open mind. The magic of a quick workout? It's easy to stick with and fits into any schedule. You don't have to rearrange your entire day. These 10 minutes can be squeezed in between meetings, during a lunch break, or even while dinner is cooking. Use it to start your morning, break up your day, or shake off stress at night. Whenever you choose to do it, these 10 minutes are your time to focus on yourself. It's a versatile routine that adapts to your lifestyle. This is about building a healthy habit that fits your life. Consistency is key, and by making this a regular part of your routine, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Track your progress, set small goals, and celebrate your achievements. Forget excuses. Today is the day you start. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect conditions. Start now with what you have and watch how these small steps lead to big changes. We're going to move, sweat, and have fun. This isn't just about exercise, it's about enjoying the process and feeling good. Let's make these 10 minutes the highlight of your day. Are you with me? Let's transform our bodies and minds in just 10 minutes. Together, we'll create a positive, energetic atmosphere that motivates and inspires. Put on your favorite music, clear a little space, and let's begin. Come on, let's make these 10 minutes count and feel fantastic together. Before we jump in, let's take a few moments to get our bodies ready for action. Warming up is a crucial part of any workout, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete. It's not just about moving your body, it's about preparing your mind, waking up your muscles, and setting the tone for a safe, effective session. So, let's make sure we're starting off on the right foot. A good warm-up wakes up your muscles, increases your heart rate gradually, and helps prevent injury by loosening up your joints and improving blood flow. Think of it as telling your body, hey, it's time to move. Plus, it helps you mentally shift gears from whatever you were doing before, so you can focus on your workout. Let's start with some gentle marching on the spot. Stand tall, lift your knees one at a time, and swing your arms naturally. This simple movement gets your blood flowing and starts to warm up your whole body. If you want, you can pick up the pace a little or keep it slow and steady, whatever feels best for you right now. Next, let's wake up those shoulders with some big arm circles. Stretch your arms out to the sides and make large, controlled circles going forward. Feel your shoulder joints loosening up. After a few seconds, reverse the direction and circle your arms backward. This helps release any tension you might be carrying in your upper body, especially if you've been sitting at a desk or on the couch. Now, let's add some torso twists. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your hips or stretch your arms out in front of you and gently twist your upper body from side to side. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. This is a great way to wake up your core muscles and get your spine moving. As you twist, notice how your core and back start to feel more awake and energized. You might even feel a gentle stretch along your sides and lower back. This is your body's way of saying it's getting ready for more movement. Throughout your warm-up, remember to breathe deeply and steadily. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Deep breathing helps deliver oxygen to your muscles and keeps you feeling calm and focused. It's easy to forget, but it makes a big difference. Now let's prep the lower body. If you need support, hold onto a wall or sturdy chair. Swing one leg forward and back in a controlled motion, keeping your posture tall. This dynamic stretch helps loosen up your hips, thighs, and glutes. After a few swings, switch to the other leg. These leg swings are fantastic for opening up your hips and getting your legs ready for action. You might feel a gentle stretch in your hip flexors and hamstrings. Take your time and focus on smooth, controlled movements. Once you've finished your leg swings, give your arms and legs a gentle shake. Let go of any tension and notice how much looser and more energized your body feels. You're already making progress. Warming up is the first and most important step to a great workout. It sets you up for success, helps you avoid injuries, and gets you in the right mindset to give your best effort. You're set to go. Now that your body is primed and your mind is focused, let's get ready to tackle our first exercise together. Remember, listen to your body and move at your own pace. Are you ready? Let's do this. Bring your energy and enthusiasm. We're in this together. March it out for a few more seconds. Feel your heart rate rising, your muscles waking up, and your motivation building. Here we go. Let's make this workout count. First up, jumping jacks. This classic move gets your heart rate up and works your whole body. We'll go for 40 seconds, then rest for 20. Stand tall, feet together, arms at your sides. Jump your feet out wide as you swing your arms overhead, then jump back to start. Land softly, keep a steady rhythm, and keep breathing. Too much jumping? Step one foot out at a time and bring your arms up. Low impact, same benefits. The key is to keep moving for the full 40 seconds. Find your pace and stick with it. Smile, you're doing great. Ready? Let's go. Keep it up. Almost there. Great job. Now let's work those legs with squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and hands out for balance. Lower down as if sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight and knees in line with your toes. Go as low as comfortable, then push through your heels to stand. Focus on control, not speed. If your knees hurt, check your form. Push your hips back first. Breathe in as you lower, out as you rise. Keep a steady pace for 40 seconds. Every squat makes you stronger. You've got this. Keep going. Almost done. Time for push-ups. This move builds strength in your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start in a high plank. Hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Lower your chest toward the floor, elbows tucked in, then push back up. Quality over quantity. One good push-up beats 10 sloppy ones. Too tough? Drop to your knees and keep your body straight. Breathe in as you lower, out as you push up. Choose your level and go for 40 seconds. Keep your core tight and your form strong. You're building real strength. Keep pushing. Almost there. Stay with it. Last few seconds. Done. Next up, lunges. These work your legs, glutes, and improve balance. Stand tall, hands on hips. Step forward with your right leg. Lower until both knees are at 90 degrees. Front knee over ankle, back knee just above the floor. Push back to standing, then switch legs. Alternate sides for 40 seconds. Focus on control and good form, not speed. Keep your chest up and shoulders back. If you feel wobbly, slow down or don't go as deep. You're getting stronger with every rep. Keep going, almost done. Great work. Final exercise, the plank. This move builds a rock-solid core. Choose high plank, on hands, or forearm plank, on elbows. Body in a straight line from head to heels, feet hip-width apart. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and tighten your thighs. Don't let your hips sag or stick up. Hold for 40 seconds, breathing steadily. If you need a break, drop to your knees, then come back up. Focus on your breath and hold strong. Your body might shake. That's your muscles working. Stay with it. Almost there. You're stronger than you think. Done. You did it! Congratulations on completing your workout. It's time to transition into a relaxing cool-down session. This is an essential part of your fitness routine that helps your body recover and prepares you for the rest of your day. Now, let's cool down and stretch. Cooling down helps to gradually lower your heart rate and relax your muscles. It's a moment to reflect on the hard work you've just put in and to appreciate your body's capabilities. Start with a quad stretch. Stand tall, grab your right foot, pull your heel to your bum, hold, then switch sides. This stretch targets the front of your thighs, which have worked hard during your workout. Next, hamstring stretch. Sit, extend one leg, reach toward your toes, hold, then switch legs. This stretch helps to release tension in the back of your legs and improves flexibility. For your chest, Clasp your hands behind your back, straighten your arms, and gently pull your shoulders back. This opens up your chest and counteracts the forward posture we often adopt during the day. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your muscles and promotes relaxation. This helps your muscles recover and keeps you flexible. Flexibility is key to maintaining a full range of motion in your joints and preventing injuries. Enjoy this moment. You've earned it. Take this time to feel proud of your efforts and to let go of any stress or tension. Cooling down is just as important as the workout. It helps to prevent muscle stiffness and soreness, ensuring that you feel great the next day. Thank your body for its hard work. Acknowledge the effort you've put in and the progress you're making. You're taking care of yourself from start to finish. This holistic approach to fitness ensures that you're not just working out, but also nurturing your body and mind. Deep breath in and out. That's your cool down. Feel the calmness wash over you as you breathe deeply and slowly. Well done. You crushed it. Celebrate this achievement and carry this positive energy with you throughout your day. Ready for the rest of your day. With your workout complete and your body relaxed, you're all set to tackle whatever comes next. And that's it. You just finished a full body workout in 10 minutes. Be proud. You made time for yourself and your health. Remember, it's not about perfection, but consistency. Some days will be easier than others, and that's okay. The key is to keep showing up. Make this a habit. Morning, midday, or night, whatever works for you. Listen to your body and use modifications when needed. Every workout makes you stronger and fitter. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Share this workout with a friend and support each other. Every minute you invest in your health is worth it. Thank you for joining me today. Keep moving, keep smiling, and feel fantastic. Well done, team.